guys, hello. And yeah, I know we're gonna fix it in just a minute. So I'm actually getting ready for my trip today. We are starting a 3-day trip. This is the first trip that I'm gonna be working since having my wisdom teeth removed. So I got them removed like 4 or 5 days ago. So today we are just gonna be working one flight. We are going from Dallas to Portland, Oregon, where we are gonna have a 17-hour layover. So we gotta fix this, we gotta fix our face, we gotta pack a bag. So we just got to the airport. Do you guys like it? Jordan and I got matching necklaces. I don't even know if she's inside yet, but I'm getting all of my stuff together. It's freezing in Texas right now. Like, I think a cold front came through because we weren't getting any cold weather until right now. Thanks, Chippy Chip. Woo! All right, gonna put my mask on and head inside.
We're Santa's little helpers. We make the wheels go round. Day and night, night and day, here in Christmas Town. We're Santa's little helpers, and it's us you wanna know.
So we are on the plane, gonna put my stuff up and check my equipment. I don't know the flight time or anything, but it's just the one flight today, and that is it. The whole crew and their holiday stuff, so it's like super cute, but I guess let's get our stuff and get to work. And welcome to Portland, Oregon. My ears are still busted. I don't know, this is like the second time recently, and this time I don't feel like it's sinuses. Like, does wisdom teeth have anything to do with like your ears popping or something? But we are finally in Portland. It is cold and it is raining outside, and I was like, oh no, because we're going to downtown Portland tomorrow, and I was like, is it still gonna be cold? Is it still gonna be raining? And I looked it up, and not only that, but it says it's also supposed to snow tonight. So that's just plain rude, Portland. It's real rude. But this time I did pack for cold weather because of Reno, but did I pack for rain? Not necessarily, because why in the world why in the world would I check the weather before I do a trip? I used to be so good about it. I used to always check the weather before I went on a trip, and now I've been like so bad. But let's go ahead and get our stuff put away and get our clothes changed into something more comfy, because this bed has my name on it. So I got all of my stuff on the chargers, got everything laid out, got all of the medicines I still have to take for my wisdom teeth, started taking off my makeup, get my spectacles on and everything. And we did go back 2 hours. So in Dallas right now, it's 12:53 in the morning, but Portland time right now, it's 10. Wow, can I do math? It is 10:53 at night. So the last thing that we need to do is get the rest of our food unpacked. So for meals, I have meatballs and mashed potatoes. I have meatballs and spaghetti. And then this one was meatballs and spaghetti, but I did eat it on the plane for dinner. And then I also brought a thing of canned green beans, because I really do. I miss like all my veggies. Like, I know this sounds really silly, but like veggies are my absolute favorite. And then also I have this huge tub of ranch. Like, no joke, that's like the size of my hand. Like, I love eating spaghetti with ranch. It like reminds me of like pizza with ranch. Does anybody else do this? Like, I love it. And then I also packed 2 of these. So these are just the Kodiak cakes. They're like protein muffin cups. These are great because I don't have to feel like I'm forced to eat them. Like, I have them on the trip. If I want to eat them, if I don't, it's fine. They can go back in the cupboard. So I brought 2 of those just in case. And then I also brought a ramen just in case as well. So I guess let's go ahead and get this stuff put into the fridge. And then I also put my ice pack up here in the freezer section, so hopefully that works and it'll refreeze it for me. Okay, you guys, I am finally all in bed and I am so tired, so I am going to get some sleep and I will see you guys for day 2. my goodness. I'm so tired. My alarm went off at 7:15 and I was like, nope, going back to sleep. But then Jordan messaged back to back to back to back. And I was like, okay, I got it. I'm getting up. I got it. So I'm awake, alive, not really, but definitely awake. It's still dark outside. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like, even the sun is like,
not yet.
Not yet. So we're gonna start getting ready. I haven't had any coffee since before my wisdom teeth because I was told no hot beverages and to kind of lay off the caffeine. But I am at my wits' end. I'm at my wits' end. I need some coffee. It was so cold. I had to put socks on even though it says 74. It felt like 60 whatever. I never sleep in socks. Do y'all sleep in socks? I feel like psychopaths sleep in socks, but had to do it. But I need some coffee, so I guess like we gotta inchworm it out of this bed and start getting ready for the day. Let's see what's going on outside. Is that frozen? Shut up. That is frozen right now. Like, oh my God, it's gonna be so cold. I can feel it in my bones already. Or, there we go. Shut up. Oh my goodness, Portland. Why did you do me like this? I knew that looked frozen outside. I knew it. Oh my goodness. I'm fighting every like fiber of my being. Tell me to get back in that bed, go back to sleep and do not bother with this weather. But I guess let's finally start getting ready.
Keep talking good, keep talking sweet, keep sugar around, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, my baby knows.
Okay, so we got the hair and the makeup all squared away. I really wish I would have brought a beanie with me, but I forgot. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, have my shacket to go over my sweats. I also am bringing this bag and have my tall socks and shoes. So we got our outfit. Hopefully this is gonna be warm enough.
Baby knows what I'm all about, my baby knows, my baby knows, my baby knows what I'm all about.
Okay, so we just got out of the Uber. They had no Uber XL, so we had to just make it work. The guy was really, really nice, but we just made it to downtown. It's looking so pretty. It's like one of like those wintry mornings, but it's definitely raining on, so that beanie would have definitely came in handy. We just got a seat and the smell of bacon is like just like such a pleasure aroma in here. I'm starving to death. This restaurant is like so cute. So breakfast was phenomenal. The food was so good and like the building is adorable. It was getting pretty busy in there, so we wanted to give our table up, but now we are walking over to Lululemon. So we're gonna be typical flight attendants and just go shopping for a bit. So we didn't get anything at Lululemon, but we're in Anthropologie right now. We're just slowly making our way over to Sephora, stopping at some places along the way because they're closed right now. But I love this store. I just think like a lot of stuff is overpriced. Can y'all see that? It's definitely a bit frostbitty. I feel a little bit better than Reno though, because like Reno I was just not prepared for. I really did think it was a desert, but this is a little better. And there's also rain on my lens, so I'm sorry if y'all can see that, but I feel like if I wipe it, it's just gonna be worse. So we just ordered an Uber, but they're gonna take a minute, and I figured I would show you guys what I got at Sephora. We're in Starbucks right now, but I got this Tarte bronzer, which is funny because Jordan got the exact same thing. I also got a new Olaplex conditioner because I swear I ride and die by the Olaplex. I got a perfume because I can't go into Sephora and not get one. So this one is supposed to be a spray. It's the Dolce & Gabbana, the light blue. I really liked their floral. They had like another floral spray one as well. And then I used my points and did a Versace perfume. So we're just chilling, waiting for the Uber, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel and start getting ready for our flight out of here. We have 2 flights today. We are gonna be going from Portland, Oregon to Phoenix. We have like an hour and a half sit and then do Phoenix to Orange County. So we just got back to our rooms right now, but you want to hear a funny story? I was walking to my room and then I was asking Melanie, I was like, oh, what room are you in? And then I was like, oh, I wonder if you're going to be connecting to me, because mine has a connecting room door, which I set this in front of it because I hate having a connecting room door if I don't know who's on the other side. But she's on the other side of the wall right now, and I was like cracking up. I was like, how funny is that? But right now it's 12:11 and our shuttle is going to be at 2:12. That gives us plenty of time to fix all of this rained on mop of a hair, touch our makeup up before we have to get ready. I feel like this weather, like anytime it's like cold and rainy outside, I just want a big old bowl of ramen, like the size of my head, like something warm and cozy, and just to sit inside and look at the rain. There's something so calming that I just absolutely love about that. But I guess for now we are going to chill, and then we'll start getting ready probably in like an hour or so. Okay, so we are all good to go. Just got to get my bags together. Got my little Christmas necklace on, and I felt like it was a scarf on the neck day. Like, are we vibing with this, or should I put it back down here? I might even change it into like a little Christmas bow. That's like one of my favorite scarf looks, is like when you do the bow right here. I might end up changing it to that, but it felt like a Bones Day, you know, the scarf on the neck. If you guys have seen the TikTok with the dog, it was a Bones Day. So it felt like a scarf on the neck type of day. But let's go ahead and get our stuff together and head downstairs to catch the shuttle to the airport. I'm excited. I feel like it's gonna be a good day. Like I said, it's a Bones Day. All right, we got all the bags packed up and we are ready to go. So let's get on out of here.
It's gonna be a fine day today.